I tried YouHodler wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the YouHodler app, I thought it was just another wallet for storing crypto. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth became clear. This app is really about storage. It's about helping your crypto actually work for you. On day 1, I set up my account and was immediately impressed by the clean, banking-style interface. YouHodler does feel like a typical crypto app. It feels more like a financial platform that blends traditional banking with decentralized finance. By day 2, I tried the earn interest feature. I deposited some stablecoins, and within hours my dashboard showed daily interest being added. The rates were surprisingly high, up to 12% on stablecoins and 5% to 8% on major cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Most people get this wrong, but the interest isn't magic. YouHodler lends your funds to vetted institutions, and you share in the profits. Midweek, I tested their multi-hodl feature, a unique way to multiply crypto holdings without completely risking your balance. It's like a blend of leverage trading and yield generation. I won't lie, it's high risk, but the control options let you choose your comfort level. On day 6, I explored loans. You can use your crypto as collateral to borrow cash or stablecoins instantly, without selling your holdings. It's perfect if you need liquidity, but don't want to trigger taxes or miss out on potential gains. By the 7th day, I realized the shocking truth. YouHodler isn't just a wallet, it's a hybrid crypto finance platform designed to make your money grow while you hold. It's not for pure decentralization fans, but for those who want yield and convenience. It's hard to beat. If you've been letting your crypto sit idle, YouHodler shows there's a smarter way. Just remember, higher returns come with higher risks. Still, this app made my Bitcoin feel alive again, and that's a truth worth discovering.